Hello, my beautiful viewers. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Una welcome to today's news. Now me una personal person, Lady B Good. And we dey bring una this unbundled news from High Five Studio. And we dey talk with our better broken English. I beg, if today na the first time of you coming across our video or our channel, make you try subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload another unbundled news, you will be the first person to be notified. My people, I want to show you that this video when be say it happened for Benin Auchi Express Road. I don't feel talking for my previous video about this kind of fire outbreak when be say it dey happen for our country Nigeria. This one I still truck when be say it carry fuel go collapse with another truck, cause this kind of heavy fire for road. As you people now see say person na dey burn for ground, so this one a human being dey roast for ground though. See people, even police van e dey inside this matter, so una see everywhere as this fire be, so water service never still fit come off am o. Una see people body for ground, see lifeless people for ground. My country people, this kind of fire outbreak last year 2020 na so e just still be. This year when we just still new start, so 2021 fire outbreak don still start again o. Una see people for ground, so when be say dey roast like chicken, so una see people, so una see this kind of fire, una see wetin dey happen for our country Nigeria. So as this fire be, so e no suppose make fire service dey alert. E no suppose make be say fire service don reach here. See this one wey dey burn for ground, na this person never still die o. If to say this person now say dey quick carry am go hospital, I believe say e go for still survive or not. My people, see fire. Una dey see wetin I dey show una, so abeg una not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload this kind of video, you will be the first person to know. And my better people, una not forget to share am with una friends so that they go know wetin dey happen for our country Nigeria. And also make this matter reach the appropriate authority. When be say they go know how defeated they are made all this kind of fire outbreak when be say they happen for our country Nigeria, because all these lives of people when be say they grow, so they matters a lot to everybody. My country people, how long will fit a day like this? How long? I felt talk and say not be all road, trailer or truck pass. May our government, may our president try to do something put for this kind of thing when be say if they happen for our country. Because this fire outbreak, it done too much. It done too much, my country people. My country people, now yeah, we for hand this unbundled news. Make una not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, i5 Studio, and also make you turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload another unbundled news, you go be the first person to be notified. Make you also share it to your friends and your family so that this matter you go reach the appropriate people who have made all these kind of things. We go see you for our next video. Bye bye.
This guy, okay, door.